Let's start. Today we will see how to implement an iframe tag in the HTML. An iframe tag is used to display one HTML page inside another HTML page. This is our parent or outer HTML file. This is the content of the parent HTML page. Here we have used the iframe tag. The src source attribute is set to the child or inner HTML file. Then we have set the height, width, and the title of the frame. This is the child or inner HTML file. Here we are just displaying some text. Let's run the parent HTML file in the browser. As you can see, the child HTML file is shown inside the parent HTML file along with a bordered frame. So that's it. That's how you can show one HTML page inside another HTML page in using an iframe tag. Thank you.